Hello, my dear kids. Welcome back to the Acknowledge series by Amit Publishing House. Children, I am Vandana and we are doing your English reader of class 6. So, children, this is your book Language Odyssey, our 21st Century Reader's Guide. And today we are going to start with chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is How the Little Kite Learned to Fly. So children, this is a poem, and in this it's telling us about the importance of taking risk in order to learn new things. So we all should learn new things, and for that, for trying any of the new thing, we have to take risk. Even when those risks are scary, and sometimes क्या होता है, वो जो risk है वो काफी ज़्यादा scary होती है, but we should take it. There are two characters in the poem, a little kite and a big kite. Wiser kite who encourages the little one to fly. So this is the poem related to two kites. There's a little kite and a big kite. The big kite is quite wiser. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा दयालु है और उसने क्या किया? He encouraged the little one to fly. So here the little one does not know how to fly. So the big kite is encouraging him to fly. The little kite has initially a fear of flying, but at last it feels free and happy and expresses the feeling of triumph. Let's recite the poem. So, I never can do it, the little kite said, as he looked at the others high above his head. So here, children, the poet is saying, I never can do it. पोएट कह रहे हैं कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकता. कौन कह रहा है? The little kite. So the little kite said, I can never do it. As he looks at the other high over his head. उसने क्या देखा? उसके सिर के ऊपर बहुत सारे kites हैं जो fly कर रहे हैं और उन्हें देख के उसने कहा, I can never do it. मैं इनकी तरह नहीं उड़ सकता हूँ. I know I should fall if I try to fly. तो अब वो ये भी कहता है कि अगर मैंने कोशिश की उड़ने की तो हो सकता है मैं जमीन पे आके वापस गिर जाऊं. तो मुझे डर लग रहा है. अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं नहीं उड़ सकता हूं. Try, said the big kite. Oh, try. So now to encourage that little kite, the big kite is saying, try. Only try. Try करो और सिर्फ try करो. बाकी चीजें छोड़ दो. कुछ भी मत सोचो. Or I fear you will never learn at all. Now the big kite is saying, अगर तुमने try नहीं किया तो मुझे ऐसा डर लग रहा है. Fear means डर लग रहा है. You will never learn at all. तुम बिल्कुल भी कभी भी शायद उड़ना ना सीख पाओ अगर तुमने try नहीं किया आज तो. But the little kite said, I am afraid I will fall. Now the little kite said, अब ये सुनने के बाद भी little kite के अंदर confidence नहीं आया. उससे ऐसा लग रहा था कि शायद बिग काइट झूठ बोल रहा है और अगर वो उड़ा तो हो सकता है वो गिर जाए. तो यहाँ पे हमारा जो लिटिल काइट है वो डर रहा है किसी से नीचे गिरने से. द बिग काइट नॉडेड. वेल, गुड बाय, आई एम ऑफ, एंड ही रोज टुवर्ड्स द ट्रैंक्विल स्काई. सो हियर द बिग काइट सेड, ही नॉडेड. उसने अपना सिर हिलाया और कहा, वेल, गुड बाय, चलो अगर तुम्हें मेरी बात नहीं सुननी है तो चलो, गुड बाय, फिर मिलेंगे. I am off. मैं उड़ने जा रहा हूँ. And he rose towards the tranquil sky. Tranquil means calm and peaceful. So now after giving the advice to the little kite, the big kite went off to fly in the quiet sky. Then the little kite's paper stirred at the side. अब जो है जैसे ही देखा लिटिल काइट है कि जो बिग काइट है उसने मुझे बोला कुछ और वो आसमान में उड़ गया. तो अब जो है ये सब चीजें सोच के, ये सब चीजें सुन के जो लिटिल काइट था उसका जो पेपर था वो स्टेड मीन्स थोड़ा सा उड़ने लग गया, मूव करने लगा. एट द साइट, ये देखते ही, एंड ट्रेम्बलिंग ही शुक हिमसेल्फ फ्री फॉर फ्लाइट. और डरते हुए, ट्रेम्बलिंग मीन्स डरते हुए, शेकिंग विथ फियर. सो डरते हुए वो भी आगे बढ़ चला अपने आप को आसमान में देखने के लिए. वो भी अपनी उड़ान भर चुका था. So here children, the poet of this poem is Catherine Pyle. People flew the kite. First kites about 3,000 years ago. So this is an amazing fact that before 3,000 years ago, the first kite flew. Take a flew. Now in this poem, we have learned about how can we overcome from our fears to leave our comforts for success. तो हमें अपने comfortable area को अपने success के लिए छोड़ना पड़ेगा. The importance of trying new things. New things को try करना is very important. Now let's move on to the book exercise. Here the first question is tick the correct option. The little kite thought it could not. तो little kite को ऐसा लगता है it could not run, fly, swim or none of these. So fly is the correct answer. The big kite told the small kite to try, no, think, none of these. So yes, try is the correct answer. Similarly, you have to do the third one on your own. Next is be exercise. What all qualities do you need to fly a kite? So क्या क्या qualities चाहिए fly आपको अगर kite को fly करना है? List them below. So this children you have to do on yourself. Next comes the book exercise, means the question and answers. What is the little kite afraid of? So here the little kite is afraid of flying high in the sky. Why did the big kite say the little kite to just try? The big kite said the little kite to just try because of trying the kite can fly, and if it does not try, then what will happen? The big kite thought that it will never be able to fly. What made the little kite try and fly? So after seeing the big kite flying up in the sky, little kite thought that it can also try and fly. So children, the rest two questions, question number 4 and 5 are your homework you have to do on your own. And with this, we have completed the poem. I hope that you understood it and enjoyed it too. You have to complete the given exercise. I'll be meeting you soon with a new video. Till then, stay elated and take care.